Hi, I'm Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com at FC Tucker Realtors. Today we are going to be touring 2403 East Gramercy Park Drive. Let's take a look. This gorgeous home has a front area that could serve as an office or a sitting area. The dining room integrates seamlessly into the great room in the kitchen. I love the timeless style of this modern traditional home. I love an entertaining kitchen. You have a great gas 5-burner stove, there's a double built-in oven, great appliance storage below, and a wonderful coffee bar area with a wine fridge. One of the best spaces in this house is for organization. Right off of the side load garage is a beautiful laundry area with folding station, home office, plus a drop zone, and a beautiful walk-in pantry. I love the details of this home, the great moldings, and the beautiful wide plank oak flooring. Very sophisticated. The primary suite is on the main level. It's a great retreat from the rest of the house, and you have a wonderful dressing room plus a spa bath. There's a great flexible space at the top of the stairs. It could be a family or a media space for the 3 bedrooms on the upper level. There's a really great recreation area on this lower finished walkout. There's a bedroom and a bedroom suite. There's a study area, a storage room, recreation area, of course, and a wet bar that circles around to the full bath. The owners of Gramercy Park love the location just minutes north of the Indiana University campus and Griffy Lake. This brick home has a beautiful sun deck, plus there's a patio area from the lower level that looks out over this over 1.2 acre site. Thanks for touring 2403 Gramercy Park Drive. Again, I'm Jeff Franklin. For more information, go to jeffsells.com at FC Tucker Realtors.